Demand Duo is a dual-active concentrated liquid insecticide that quickly knocks down active pests while providing a long residual to help protect residential and commercial structures from pests. It can be applied both indoors and outdoors, and is labeled to protect against over 30 common household pests, including ants, cockroaches, spiders, and ticks. The convenient single-dose bottles eliminate the need to measure when creating your solution, ensuring you get the perfect amount of product in each mixture. To apply Demand Duo, begin by filling a hand pump or backpack sprayer with a half a gallon of water, then add one 1.1 ounce bottle of Demand Duo. Place the cap on the sprayer and shake to combine. Fill the sprayer with another half gallon of water and shake thoroughly to combine your solution. When mixing and applying, be sure to wear protective clothing, including closed-toed shoes, gloves, long sleeves, and pants. Outdoors, use Demand Duo as a perimeter barrier treatment, creating a band 3 feet up and out from the foundation of the building. Spray around door and window frames, around vents, where cables and pipes enter the structure, and beneath eaves, soffits, and roof overhangs. Apply your Demand Duo perimeter treatment on a calm day, when it is not windy and when rain is not forecasted for 24 hours. Do not spray in or around drains and gutters, or near wells. Demand Duo can also be used indoors. Apply on cracks and crevices around the home, including where baseboards meet floors, where utility and plumbing pipes enter the wall, in the corners of rooms, around door and window frames, and in voids. Refer to the product label for specific instructions on how to treat for indoor ants, pantry pests, occasional invaders, and other pests. In food handling establishments, Demand Duo can be used as a crack and crevice and void treatment. Follow the instructions on the label of how to prepare your facility before treatment and where you can and cannot spray. Refer to the Demand Duo product label for specific instructions on how to treat for different pests and how often to reapply. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.